Alright, welcome back, y'all. I'm gonna try to pull the carpet out today and get that nastiness out, and power wash it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip all the interior out. Let's get started. Alright, well, I'm going to leave it as that. I'm gonna have to order new carpet. The rugs, this passenger side one it was done. It wasn't just one done, it was at least 3 done. I was gonna do most of it this weekend, but I was curious, and I'm glad I came out here and started pulling this out so to dry out and get some of the smell out. But I mean, this crazy thing about it, it doesn't have a horrible smell. I mean, it has just a, I don't know, a dirty car smell to me. I don't know what was, I have no idea what that was. So I think it's rust water, maybe from the core support, because I do need to replace it. And it was coming down in that same spot, but there's none on the driver's side because the main lines come on this side and the passenger side, so I'm pretty sure it was from that. But it actually cleaned out actually pretty easy on the, you know, the floor, and I got it all on the door panels and stuff, and it came off really easy. So I just gave it a shot with the carpet, and it was a no-go. So I just balled it all up and put it in the trash. So order new carpet. I have the radiator, not the radiator, the core support ordered. It should be here probably next month, even though it says next day. Amazon is running a little bit behind, but not much. And as in engine wise, everything on there is good. So until next time. All right, thanks guys, bye. Oh, wait a minute, comment, like, subscribe. Bye.